The Maserati GranTurismo 4.2 V8. This is the 2007 model. In this video we are going to look at the jacking points should you need to change a wheel or access and work on something underneath. We need to first disable the anti-lift alarm that goes off if the car is attempted to be towed. If you check your handbook, normally residing in the boot, the disabling of this is shown, along with the jacking points on the underside of the car. As per handbook, to disable the anti-lift sensor, depress the left button for 3 seconds and its light will flash and extinguish. This sensor is now disabled until the alarm is set again. There's a picture of the front and rear jacking point locations. There's the passenger rear jacking point. The hole is provided to accommodate a suitable jack pad to be used in conjunction with a trolley jack. There's the front passenger side jacking point, also a hole for the jacking pad. A scissor jack could be used to raise the side of the car, but it's not recommended. Only use this type of jack at the roadside in an emergency. The better option is the use of a trolley jack and a lift pad seen here that will use the provided jacking point hole on the chassis. This pad will prevent the chassis from any damage from the metal lift face on the trolley jack. Once the car is lifted sufficiently, an axle stand can be placed underneath for safer support. Here the axle stand is placed on part of the front subframe, which is strong. You must avoid placing the axle stand underneath any suspension components, box sections of the chassis that have limited strength, and certainly not the exhaust system. Here's a close-up of the lift pad. These are normally purchased in pairs. Always handy to carry in the boot. These could help at a tyre fitters when you're having a tyre change. The placement of the axle stand at the rear is a little more tricky. There are less places available. Here it is placed on a bracket attached to the chassis that protects the prop shaft that connects to the differential. Here's a different angle where you can see the bracket being used by the axle stand. You can also see the other components that are not ideal to support the weight of the car with. That's it, that's the car jacked up. Subscribe to this channel to be notified when new videos are published. Thank you for watching.
Roger 1202, we copy it.